children. Good morning. How are you doing? Oh, I hope you are doing well. Right. So, so far we have learned about where does it come from. In our last lesson we have learned few topics, and today we are going to move a new topic. So now, as during these holidays you're staying in your house, right? So in your rooms or in your house there are many things around you. Yes, yes. Now you are sitting and watching this video. Now just look around you and observe the things surrounded by you. Observe it. Yes. Yeah, you can see many things in your house. Yes, can you name some examples? Can you name? For example, if you are holding a book or a textbook, what it is made up of? Yes, your answer is right. Paper. And the next one is fan, tube light, table, chair, your television set, or else your phone, and your clothes, shoes, bag, and many plastic things such as chairs, tables. And you just go into your kitchen, and once you observe what are the things you can see in the kitchen. Yes, all the types of spoons, handles, vegetable vessels, isn't it? So all those are made up of with some other material. So I hope you got an idea what I'm going to teach you today. That is materials which we are using in our daily life. So what are the materials and what are the things we are using, and these things are made up of what type of material, and from what material we are preparing or manufacturing different things, and in what purpose we are using in our houses, our domestic appliances. We are going to see and learn today in this class, isn't it? Say first, some of the common objects are the things there in your house once you look at the table. So for the first one is door, isn't it? So what is the material we use to make these doors? Mainly we use wood, isn't it? The help of wood, or from the wood we will prepare or manufacture the door. Or even nowadays we are using plastic, or we can call it as PVC. Okay, in higher classes you are going to learn what is PVC. And then towel, it is made up of cloth, isn't it? And next, water bottle. Yes, 100% your answer is right, that is plastic. And pot, of course nowadays nobody is using pots. Instead that what it has replaced, refrigerators nowadays we are using, isn't it? So pot is made up of with clay, and mirrors are made up of with glass. Now look at the table clearly. There are two variations or two differences here. What is the first one? Here it is a thing or the object we are using in our daily life, whereas these things are made up of some materials. That means there are many materials around us. From those materials we are preparing many things, isn't it? Now, for example, can you give some examples? Can you give some examples of these things which are made up of from the materials? Now reverse process we are going. See, in the first process, what are the objects made up of material? Now we are going to extract the information from what type of material, what are the things we are going to find out. Now can you give some examples? Say for example, plastic. From plastic what we are making of? Say mainly chairs, yes, plastic bag, and next plastic glasses, that is called as disposable glasses, in which mainly we are using in functions nowadays. And from clothes, yeah, cloth, many things, sarees, dresses, different. And next, wood, table, chair, cots, and many articles. From the clay, pot, idols, especially in Vinayaka Chaviti, Vinayaka festival. What we are, yes, with the help of the clay, we are going to prepare the idols, okay, and rest of some articles, and even lamps also we can prepare. The time of Diwali festival from the clay. And from the glass, you know very well, mirrors and etc. etc. There are many materials. Say for example, ceramic. You take ceramic. What is ceramic? Ceramic is nothing but it is made up of with the China clay, isn't it? Ceramic cups, tea cups. Generally, they are made up of with ceramic. Porcelain cups they are called as. And even the ceramic, in toilets we are going to use. Yes, those are made up of with the ceramic. And not even the decorative parts are also made up of with the ceramic. And from rock, what are the things and materials? Say for the construction of building we are using the rocks. And even some types of idols. If you go to nearby any temple, you can see many types of idols over there, isn't it? Those are made up of with the rocks. For example, if you go to 1000 pillar temple, you can see there are many types of pillars and idols of different statues of different people and gods like that. So those are all made up of with the rocks itself, isn't it? And next, see here, you can use instead this cloth, cotton also. Not only cotton, there are many materials are there. Of course, you're going to learn these concepts in 8th class. Remember that. See, cotton, we have natural fibers and artificial fibers. Thus, that concept you will learn in 8th class in detail. So, I'm not going to reveal all those concepts. So, today in this video or in this class, you have learned here. See, what are the objects we are using in our daily life? So, in your house, if you look around your house, you can see many things. So these things are made up of with different types of materials, and these are some examples of these materials from which we are extracting and we are manufacturing and we are making use of all these things. But in olden days, these many sophisticated materials were not there. Our ancestors, they used only the clay. That means they used to prepare the pots itself. That means nowadays we are using different types of metallic vessels for cooking, and even in a kitchen also there are many articles, many things are there, but those are manufactured from different types of metals, combination of metals, isn't it? But in olden days it was not like the situation. See, if you have gone to just 20 years back, in functions they used to place, or they used to have wooden chairs, isn't it? After that it was replaced by iron chairs. But nowadays in any function, if you go to see in a function hall, you can see all plastic chairs. Why these were replaced? Okay, did you got the difference? In olden days, in function, say for example from tent house, the people used to get only steel glasses, isn't it? But nowadays what we are using, disposable glasses, which are nothing but made up of with what? Plastic. So plastic replaces many things, but there are drawbacks of plastics even. Of course, about these concepts we will learn in higher classes, but up to the topic covered, please go through. Yesterday I have set the e-textbooks of PDF file in your groups, and please open it and search for 6th class. Okay, and 6th class science, you have materials and things, 5th chapter, you open it and go through with the textbooks and draw these 2 tables information, and please post it in the group, and we will continue this topic in the next class. Thank you.